What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube energetic and stuff for my videos now because मैं खुद अपनी वीडियो देख रहा था तो मैंने कहा मेरी vibes काफी dead हैं so I need to try to be more energized but also on some chill vibe. You get me trying to balance it out. Good, if you're watching this, I hope you guys are doing well. First of all, so thank you for the support on the YouTube. Honestly, it hasn't been that bad. We have hit 5,000 subscribers, so that's pretty good. And इस video पे I need at least 300 likes. Can we get 300 likes? I sure as hope wish that we can get 300 likes. Khair, I did a Q&A and I got a bunch of very interesting questions. Honestly, कभी कभार मुझे होता है कि आप लोगों को मतलब आप लोग क्या सोच रहे होते before sending me such beautiful questions. Khair, चलें. Let's start the Q&A. Let's fix this mic quickly and see if it's recording. I don't want to pull a ARR again where मैं पूरा video बनाऊं and then record नहीं हो रही हो because I'm just dumb like that. Acha, so the first question is by Meher. What's something about yourself that you won't like to tell us? Meher, first of all, that's a very good question. I have a weird obsession with Pokemon cards. I've been collecting them for a while. My collection is also pretty nice. I don't know, man. I think एक बार live पे दिखाया है, but I've got all originals. These are some of the rare ones I have. ये Rainbow Zoroarks है मेरे पास. ये exclusive Pikachu है एक मेरे पास. I don't know अगर ये नजर आ रहे हैं नहीं खैर. But I'll make another video if you guys do want to see my Pokemon card collection in क्या कहेंगे detail. खैर अच्छा, let's go to the next question now. Have you ever had one-sided love by Batman 138? वैसे first of all तो नाम काफी suit कर रहा है question को Batman क्योंकि मैं हूँ and yes I've had I don't know if it's one-sided love but I did have this girl that I used to like a lot but I really liked her for the longest time and then but eventually I got over it. So yeah, one-sided love kind of sucks. Obviously it sucks, bro. Like I mean, मुझे love नहीं हुआ खैर. One-sided liking someone sucks, but you also grow out of it because you know you just realize that there's plenty of fish in the sea. Even though I feel like now the sea might be low-key contaminated, but khair, that is another story. We'll go to the next question. Mads or Ice Spice? Zariyat has asked this. Obviously, guys, bro, team Mads, man. We are not messing with Ice Spice. I don't even like her music. उसके बाद नए वाले गाने का इंस्ट्रूमेंटल बहुत अच्छा है which I think I posted on my story as well. So Madeline all the way. Madeline's very sweet. She's very nice. I've been keeping up with the वो as well. Can you tell I was raised by two sisters? तो मैं literally तीसरी बहन अलीज़े हूँ and मैं low-key I was interested in what was happening because I'm very tapped into the UK rap scene. Roshan justifies obsession with gossip, but I am tapped into the UK rap scene. मैं Central C और इन सबके गाने बहुत टाइम से सुन रहा हूँ even before they were a thing. Stormzy, Dave, all these guys, I love them. So maths all the way. How many push-ups can you do in a row? Achha, the last I did was at Mashin and मैंने 80 clean किए थे and then I think 100 तक मैं cheat reps कर रहा था, so I wouldn't count them. But I think I can probably do 90 now, maybe 90 या 100 भी शायद हो जाए, I think. I've never tried though. Lucid Heart ने ये पूछा है, very unique username. When you feel stuck in a slump, how do you motivate yourself to just keep going? अच्छा, मेरा ये है कि this has been happening to me recently where I feel like you know sometimes I feel like मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ with my life, you know. I feel like I can be doing more, yeah, I could do better. So I just think about my past. Like I start thinking about my past. I start thinking there was a time where dude, no one used to mess with me and khair I was not a good person. I was not a nice person. So rightfully and up you know I have learned a lot from my mistakes and I am doing well. So that is what just helps me going because us waqt what I'm living right now 3 years ago would be a dream. So who knows bro 3 साल बाद जो मेरी अभी dreams हैं वो actually you know हो जाएं, like they actually happen. Would you be down to date a 5'4" girl or what's the ideal height for in XX chromosomes? Dude, I don't think height really matters for me as long as बस अच्छा इंसान हो and she has family values and she's caring, sweet I guess, and understands about boundaries and just also understands about all of the things that come with me, you know, relationships. It's not just about you and me, it's also about what she and what baggage she brings with her and the baggage, not the bad baggage, just overall you get what I'm trying to say, right? So if she can do all of that and if she has brown colored eyes are low-key a weak point of mine. मुझे hazel आंखें, hazel होती हैं, I think बहुत प्यारी लगती हैं. So that is something that I really like as well. Khair, I don't know why I said that, by the way. What's your biggest ick? By definitely not Wasi. You know, Wasi, for the longest time, I didn't know if I had an ick, but I have recently discovered that I have an ick for this much. In the nicest way possible, this is just my personal opinion. Dude, I don't like when girls cuss. Like, मुझे बस अजीब लगता है. Like, if I see a girl abusing, period. Like, आपको गालियाँ नहीं देनी चाहिए. मैं कभी कभार like गलती में आके अब जज्बात में आके बहुत गालियाँ दे देता हूँ. But you should never abuse. Like, abusing is basically like a turn off. को भी नहीं करनी चाहिए. But when a girl does it, dude, it just sounds off to me. Like, I can't look at you the same. Like, you maybe like एक दो बार अगर कर दिया, but like जो बहुत like करती है ना, I don't know, bro. Doesn't sit right with me. You know what? It's my opinion. I don't even care. If you do it, it won't sit right with me. What's my favorite food by Fabia? Very unique name again. My favorite food, I would say, is chicken katsu. मेरा best friend, childhood friend Habib है. उसकी बहन मेरी आपी, Mariam Api, dude, she makes the best chicken katsu. Like, she's so good. She's so good. And she's literally the best. And अगर if I would say कि चलो ये तो एक हो गया. देसी खानों में मुझे बहुत पसंद है आलू कीमा. आलू कीमा I really like. Especially with the green chilies. What is your education and what type of job I do? Chalo bhai, this question has been lurking for way too long. I think it's time I answer it. देखिए एजुकेशन का मेरा ये था कि I completed my A-levels, I did my AS, and then उसके बाद certain family problems and personal problems happened, जिसके बाद I wasn't able to pursue my A2. मैं नहीं कर पाया, I had to join the family business, and I've been working with my dad ever since. So yes, I do the social media thing as a side hobby, but I am also working with my dad. अच्छा, now you might think कि मैं क्या करता हूँ at office, because I think ये भी probably एक question था, but मेरी बहुत चीज़ें, I look over marketing. You know, marketing मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी आती है, मैं पूरा सीन समझ गया हूँ. उसके अलावा just everyday office work, I'm looking over that as well. Emails पे letters, client से deal करना, all of this is what I do. So that is what my job is. Kamil ने पूछा था, by the way, shout out Kamil for this question. Then Rizli Umair, what's your biggest fear? Yeah, my biggest fear, I think I've mentioned this a few times in my videos as well, Abhi, is the fear of failure. Fear that I won't be able to, like, I won't make it in life. Yeah, मैं बस क्या, like, how do I explain it? I put a lot of pressure on myself, and बस मेरा constant यही fear होता है कि I won't be able to meet my own expectations. That is my fear. And उसके अलावा, do I have any other fears? I think I also low-key have. No, never mind. I don't actually. और क्या fear होगा मेरा? I don't think मुझे डर लगता है, bro. मैं Batman हूँ. Come on, I can't be scared of anyone. Inspired you for YouTube except of Sherry Boy. जन्नत मुलिक ने पूछा, यार Sherry ने definitely मुझे बहुत push किया था. I think I started YouTube before Sherry. But Sherry, the way he does it, bro, he's so good at it. Like, mashallah से that guy. Okay, also he just hit 100K. So we're gonna get a little claps for Sherry Boy. भाई बहुत अच्छा इंसान है वो. I literally, bro, I'm not even trying to glaze or anything. That guy is genuinely one of the nicest people I've met. He's just at 100K and he's just like very good with people, bro. Like, he does not care. Like, Sherry, literally, मैं और Sherry कभी कभार किसी coffee shop होते, coffee bean पे, जब वो अपने element में आता है ना, bro, he'll start hopping. Like, he'll start doing this and he does not care if anyone's looking, because he's just in his element. वो like entertaining करने की कोशिश कर रहा होता अपने vlogs. And bro, it's honestly just उसको देखना ना, do it is so fascinating and like inspires me so much कि who cares, just be however you want to be, do whatever you want to do. तो definitely Sherry is the reason. And मेरा YouTube का ये भी था कि मैं खुद पे बहुत pressure डाल रहा था बार बार कि नहीं, like the videos need to be like highly edited and top notch. I didn't realize at the end of the day, the people who really like enjoying my content, they won't really care. Like, they just wanna see what I do. तो इसीलिए मैंने फिर वापस अब actually I'm gonna try my best, मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, असल कर रहा हूँ for YouTube as well. Hopefully like it turns out well as well and थोड़ा support मिले मुझे. तो 300 likes guys, come on. आपकी height and weight. My height is 5'10". ये तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बाय द वे आते यही थे कि मैं कोई 4 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए, 4 साल 2 महीने हो गए मुझे ट्रेन किए हुए. मेरी हाइट है 5'10" and my weight right now is 68 kg. 70 तक आ गया था, but then last week I got food poisoning and I lost a few kgs. Do I have a girlfriend? Oh my god, the long awaited question. Does ARR Lifts have a girlfriend? The answer is Sebastian, बता दूं? No. No, I do not have a girlfriend. I do not plan on getting a girlfriend. And I'm just happy with my life and I'm happy with the 156K cookies, girlfriends and boyfriends जो मेरे हैं. And I love all of you and बस you guys are enough for me. जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा लेसन क्या मिला? हफ्सा ने पूछा है. जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा लेसन मुझे मिला था द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फैमिली ओवर फ्रेंड्स. आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन लाइफ थिंक कि हु पुट फ्रेंड्स ओवर फैमिली. मेरे लिए द बिगेस्ट थिंग आई रियलाइज वाज कि योर फ्रेंड्स आर गोना आल्सो इवेंचुअली लीव यू. लाइक या योर फ्रेंड्स वांट गुड फॉर यू होंगे कुछ, मगर बहुत रेयर होता है इस दुनिया में. द ओनली पीपल हु एक्चुअली विश वेल फॉर यू आर योर फैमिली, your parents, your siblings. Like they will always want the best for you. बाकी सब bro अंदर अंदर से कोई दिखाता नहीं है, but they'll always be jealous of what you're doing. They'll always try to demotivate you. Again, कोई cases होंगे कुछ के जहाँ पे actually you'll have genuine friends, but like most of the time, at least मेरा experience है दोस्तों के साथ hasn't been the best. I've just seen कि everyone's like very मतलबी and सब देख रहे होते हैं. They're just waiting, you know, उनको क्या फ़ायदा मिल रहा है आपसे, एंड बस वो उस फ़ायदे के लिए आएंगे, एंड जैसे ही उन्हें वो चीज़ मिल जाएगी they'll just disappear bro. And it's so obvious after a while. You can also see through it all. You can see through all the BS so clearly, like people trying to sugarcoat stuff, and then the next thing you know 5 मिनट की लंबी बातें करने के बाद they want a favor. Like you know, मैं तो alhamdulillah I've gotten so well at reading people. Yeah, I can just tell like instant. मेरी by the way ये this also is, I feel like this is a very good ability of mine is कि I can like just read people very well. Like मैं किसी से मिलूँ ना, I can form an opinion on them like with one meeting. कि I know what they're like. I know if I would want to be friends with them या acquaintance level पे रखना है, या इनकी क्या like vibes से मैं बहुत बता देता हूँ. School did you study from? I studied from Bayview Academy. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the Q&A. Let me know. And once again, I'm hoping for 300 likes to होने चाहिए इस वीडियो पे guys. So comment, like and subscribe. Can't believe I used to watch so many YouTube videos, and aaj like I've been given the opportunity to say this shit as well. So if you want to get the shirt that I'm wearing from Iron Gear, use code ARR99, and this trousers from Gym Armor, use code ARR. Thank you so much for supporting me. Like, share and subscribe.